Well, this is like a new language. I didn't know anything about electrical theory, rather it be AC or DC voltage, capacitors, resistors, the different types of cables that they have for the particular circuits. It's a whole new world that I had to learn. The information, the technology, the names, the everything. So that was the struggle. It took me a very long time for the light bulb to click and say, I understand it.
Yeah. How long did you spend as an employee before going out on your own?
Oh, I was an employee for 2 decades. I left the field in 2017. So from like 19 I want to say like 1999 to like 2017, I was a local three technician, just working with a lot of different big companies out there.
What was that moment where like something shifted and you just decided to make something yourself and build your own company?
Well, it was several factors. You excuse me, you're working. From my perspective, I was a technician who uh I didn't complain. It didn't matter if it was 4 o'clock. You called me. Yes, I'm gonna stay. I'll do it because I always clocked overtime and I made money from overtime. But I was well versed, not just fire alarm, but also in the security aspect of it. And I just felt the compensation just wasn't equaling out. I was two technicians in one, where
Mhm.
you have to hire a security tech and then sometimes hire a fire tech, where you could just have me to do both. But the money just didn't add up. So I just decided to jump on my own.
Wow, that's incredible. So you also went to Full Sail University for audio engineering. How does
Hmm.
that background end up intersecting like with the fire alarm and life safety work?
Well, uh, I would say in my life growing up, music, rap music, hip hop, that's my passion. That's in me.